Deep down there lies a New York street. Officially, the city was blanketed with a 17-inch fall in 24 hours. But in many places it was even worse than that. This was the first big storm of the season, and what a blizzard it was! No doubt about it, winter had made a spectacular arrival. I only hope it's not crossing the Atlantic to visit us. If it does, why not take a tip from this couple in the matter of transport? All the same, there's nothing very amusing about weather like this. Zero weather or thereabouts.